In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a project in Basecamp. Renaming a project can help keep your workspace organized, especially when projects evolve over time and their current names no longer represent their purposes. Let's go through the process step by step to ensure you're comfortable making this change. Start by going to your Basecamp homepage. If you're not already logged in, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're on the home screen, take a moment to locate the project you intend to rename. This project should be easily identifiable among any other ongoing projects you may have. Once you've identified the project, the next step is to open it. You can do this by clicking on either the project's name or its icon. This will take you directly to the project's home page, where you can manage all its specific details and settings. Now that you're on the project's home page, you need to navigate to the project settings. To do this, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a menu represented by three dots, also known as the three dots menu. Click on this menu and a drop-down will appear. From this list of options, select Rename this project. With the renaming option open, it's time to enter the new name for your project. Be sure to choose a name that accurately reflects the current status or focus of the project. For instance, if you're working on a campaign for a client and it's now focused on a product launch, you might change the project name from Client A Campaign to something more specific like Client A Product Launch 2025. When you're satisfied with the new name, go ahead and click the Save or Rename button to confirm your changes. After you've made these adjustments, it's always a good practice to verify the change. You'll notice the updated name will appear instantly, not only on the project's homepage, but across your entire Basecamp interface. This includes the Basecamp home screen and any other places where the project is referenced, such as in to-do lists or message threads. And there you have it. Renaming a project in Basecamp is a quick and straightforward process that makes managing your workspace much more intuitive. Keep in mind that updating project names as their scope changes can help both you and your team stay organized and focused. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.